Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076, and our email ID is SouravSirClasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID. Then you can join as a student to our institute and you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Like you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like CUET PG Data Science also. So this question is for your the CUET of your CUET PG Data Science, and the question is telling us that let G be a directed graph whose vertex set is the set of the numbers from 1 to 100. There is an edge from a vertex I to vertex J if and only either J equals to I plus 1 or J equals to 3I. Okay. So the minimum number of edges in a path in G from vertex 1 to vertex 100 is, there are four options here which are 4, 7, 23 and 99. Okay. So we are tasked with finding the minimum number of edges in a path from vertex 1 to vertex 100 in a directed graph G where the edge, there is an edge from I to J. Let me. So now my screen is ready. So now my screen is ready. So there is an edge from J to, as our J is equals to I plus 1 or our J is equals to 3I. So now to solve this, we will explore the possible paths from 1 to 100. So now prioritizing the use of the J is equals to 3I age which grows faster to minimize the number of steps. Okay, so now we are going to understand the graph structure. So the graph allows two types of moves, that means increment by one where our where we will go from I to I plus 1, and multiply by 3 where our I will go to 3I. So what can be done now? So now we are going to work backward from 100. So to minimize the number of edges, we work backward from 100. So choosing the operation that reduces the number most efficiently. If the current number is divisible by 3, then divide by 3. So the reverse of J is equals to 3I. Otherwise, subtract 1, reverse of J is equals to I plus 1. So now we are constructing the path. So now starting from 100, we apply the reverse operation. So as our 100 is not divisible by 3, so we are using the subtract 1. So now we will get 99. So 99 is a divisible by 3, so we will get 99 to 33. Then we will get 33 to 11. And after that we are using the I equals to I plus 1, this thing. So then we will get 10, and 10 is also not divisible by 9. So we divisible by 3, sorry. So now we will get 9 to 10 to 9. Similarly, and after that 9 is divisible by 3, so we will get 3. Now we will get 1 by divisible, as 3 is divisible by 3, so we by dividing with 3, so we will get 1. Okay, so now we are going to count the number of edges. So the number of edge will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this path consists of 7 edges. So now we are going to verify the minimum. So no shorter path exists because using only J equals to I plus 1 would require 99 edges, or using J equals to 3I strategically reduces the number of the steps to 7. So the minimum number of edges in a path from 1 to 100 will be 7. So this is in our option B. Okay, so this is the correct option of this question. So again, I am telling that if you have any other queries or any other doubts, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email. So then our team can arrange it out clearing session for you. After that, you can join our institution as a student and you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Okay. Thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.